is this would have been a 2-point, maybe even a 3-point, but for sure a 2-point violation. So you're not going to have the points hit your license. I said, that's all I really care about, to be honest with you. So it was great, right? Civil trial defense is if you're ever sued in state or federal court, you get 50 hours of a tax attorney's time to assist you in an audit. In the event you are audited by the IRS, you get 25% preferred member discount on things that hopefully don't happen to you, but they could, like a criminal charge, maybe a nasty domestic case, like a child support, child custody, maybe an immigration case, bankruptcy, things like that. We're going to provide you a 25% VIP discount, and then 24/7 emergency protection. If you or a covered family members are arrested, detained, questioned by law enforcement, God forbid you're in a car accident, there's an injury, true legal emergencies, you can tap the app, get access to your law firm 24/7, 365. Actually, in my 15 years I've been a LegalShield member, I get about 1 usage out of that a year, okay? And so it's very empowering to know that not just me, but if you have children, great to know that if they are in college on the other side of the country and there's a fight that breaks out, cops come, at a party or whatever, they don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. They can tap the app and they can gain access to their attorney, even if it's 2 a.m. on New Year's Eve. Family Domestic Services kicks in 90 days after you enroll. You get uncontested divorce, adoption, separation, and name change again at 0 attorney fees.